I get a lot of comments on this channel from viewers who complain about their landlords. Well, the biggest complaint is that their landlord is not making repairs to their unit. Let's talk about that. And that's the topic of this video. Hello again, everyone. I'm attorney Robert Flesses. If this is your first time here, now is a good time to hit the subscribe button, because when you do, you'll know where to go to get answers to your legal questions. Just because a person is a landlord doesn't make them a bad person. There are a lot of good landlords out there. A bad landlord can't just take your rent each month and fail to make necessary repairs. Well, what are your remedies when that happens? The very first step is to write a letter to your landlord describing the problem. Include pictures of the problem, but don't write a book. Be short and to the point. Give your landlord a deadline to make the repairs. Then send the letter to your landlord via certified mail delivery. Now you've got a record that you've sent it. Have the letter, the certified mail receipt, and the pictures with you when you go to court. Show the judge your receipt of your rent deposit with the government agency that's holding it. If the judge rules in your favor and denies the eviction on the basis of uninhabitable conditions, like an air conditioner not working, then ask the judge to have your name redacted from the public court record. Why? You're not the one who started the problem. The landlord did, and by the landlord filing an eviction, that landlord is damaging your reputation by creating a public eviction record that has no merit. There are simple things you can do to protect yourself, and if you don't, you're not going to win. If you do these things, you're going to win if your landlord takes you to court. I'm attorney Robert Flesses. Remember to subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.